Open the trunk to gain access.
Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener. Remove the lining by prying it back. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Now you can replace your housing with a new one.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.